Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a maintenance supervisor in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for a maintenance supervisor is approximately $64,570, which translates to about $5,380 per month. After federal taxes, which for this income level fall into the 22% bracket, the take-home pay would be roughly $50,360 annually, or about $4,197 monthly. Where you live significantly impacts your earnings. For instance, maintenance supervisors in California earn an average of around $75,000. Those in New York make approximately $73,000. And in Massachusetts, salaries average about $72,000. Conversely, states like West Virginia, with an average salary of $53,000, Florida at about $54,000, and South Dakota around $54,000, offer lower wages for this role. Experience also plays a crucial role in salary variation. Entry-level maintenance supervisors with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $55,490 annually. Those with 4 to 9 years of experience typically earn about $62,320 per year. For professionals with 10 to 20 years of experience, salaries average around $78,540 annually, and those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $82,340. Educational qualifications and certifications further influence salary potential. Maintenance supervisors with advanced training or specialized certifications tend to earn higher than average salaries, often exceeding $85,000 annually. In summary, the salary for a maintenance supervisor in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and education, with earnings ranging from approximately $53,000 to over $85,000 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.